Hello, wherever you are in the world, day, morning, evening. I hope you're having a great one. I'm Sherri. I'm coming on to do a collective reading. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you find this, the messages will resonate. I do own the rights to the music you hear playing in the background. I composed and recorded that at 528 hertz, so you're receiving healing energies as it plays. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's see what's going on for the collective. If you want to book a private connection with me at Sherri Jens at gmail.com. All right, let's see what's going on. Okay, balancing out. Oh, nice. Wow, moving towards something extremely emotionally fulfilling here. Okay, using our logic. So right now we are using our logical minds to bring forth, oh nice, something magnificent here. Yes, coming out of the woodwork, I'm hearing. So we're bringing our projects out of the woodwork. We're coming out of the woodwork. We're coming out of the workshops, I'm hearing. So yes, absolutely. And creating these beautiful, I'm hearing products. For some, it's about crafting. For others, it's about some other sort of creation here. But definitely divinely inspired. Okay. All right, this is a renewal here. This is a renewal after a time of heartbreak. So it's like a time of deception here and leaving it disappointment in something. And so leaving that cycle behind and moving to the next cycle wherein we are empowered. There is a definite sense of empowerment here. A definite sense of empowerment here, a definite sense of absolutely being on fire creatively. So this is a creative spark. This is a divine spark. And a new beginning here. A new beginning. And so this is working on our passion projects, if you will. So this is working on that. This is realizing finally a way to use our logical minds to bring these ideas into the quote real world. I'm hearing practicality, so there's an element of practicality here that is leading us to abundance. Yeah, you were born with that equality. So you're understanding that you've got it. You've got it, whatever that is. You're understanding that you've got it. You got it as much as the next guy, right? You have that thing. You have that creative spark. You are creative. And you're understanding this maybe for the first time, that you're giving yourself credit here. You're giving yourself credit and you're understanding that you could really have these dreams and bring them into fruition. Yes, and there's a sense of celebration here in that realization. There's a sense of accomplishment I'm hearing. So, yes, absolutely. Because you've left behind what did not feel good. When we talk about LOA, which is law of attraction, then this is what we're talking about. Things that make us feel good and things that don't make us feel good. Okay, just to make it really simplified. There we go. So we've learned love doesn't have to be near. So we can love things from a distance. We can leave them behind. We can say forgiveness. We can forgive our past, we can forgive people, and we can move forward, keeping it moving and understanding that we can love. We are love. We can be that love. And so we don't have to put ourselves in harm's way or in deceptive situations. Now, for some, you're going to have an apology coming in around that situation. But you're understanding now that you're not required or obligated to accept it, and you're keeping things very simple, and you're understanding that you're loved. So you can extend this. You can accept this apology. You can accept this apology. Apologize to yourself for past mistakes or for not embracing your dreams or your again, I'm hearing creative projects. I'm hearing crafts. So this is about forgiving yourself for not having done it sooner. Okay? Like you're understanding how adorable you are. You're understanding that, again, you're just as talented as anyone else, and you're just as worthy as anyone else. Yeah, you're unique, and you're finally learning to embrace that. Yes. So as you do that, things are getting really intense in a good way. So moving forward, things in a very positive way, here. Because again, you've understood that it is your essence that is love. And that is required. Your essence is required. And you're understanding again that you are love. You simply are love. And we all are. We all are. So embracing this sense of adventure, embracing this sense of your own identity, but I don't mean in a false, egoic kind of sense. I mean it in a role. I don't mean it in a role way kind of way. I mean it on a soul level and an authentic remembering in your heart space, and that you are allowed. You are absolutely allowed to just let that pour out all around. Okay, and what else, Spirit? Yes, your answers are coming. It's releasing negativity and looking at the big picture. Yeah, and so that's what you're doing. You're looking at the big picture, and you're seeing ways around these, quote, obstacles. They're not really there. They're not really obstacles, and you perhaps made them out to be bigger than they are. And so you're just taking a really close look logically at really what is standing in your way. And maybe you figured out that you were standing in your way. So this beautiful sense, again, of self-acceptance and this beautiful sense of confidence, you can't hide it. You can't hide it. I'm hearing you can't hide it anymore. All right, and what else, Spirit? That's gorgeous. Yeah, follow the voice of your soul. So there you go. There it is in a nutshell. You are following your voice, following your soul, and just allowing this to come in. And that is gorgeous. That is absolutely beautiful, and that is going to bring you so much passion, so much joy, and so much abundance. And remember, abundance comes in all forms. All right, guys, I hope that was helpful and resonated. So embrace it and keep moving forward, and know you can do this. Take care. Again, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to book a private with me, just connect with me on Messenger or at sherrijens@gmail.com. All right, I'll see you next time. Take care. Namaste.